Now, normally at barbecue restaurants, they give this to you wrapped in aluminum foil because it be so. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I know the lighting is kind of something, but today I want to make something that they really don't have here in Atlanta. They don't know nothing about it. It's, well, in Ohio, where I'm from, Cleveland, Ohio, they know about it. Is a Polish boy. Now what a Polish boy is a Polish sausage, some coleslaw, some fries, some barbecue sauce on a hamburger bun. Let me get my barbecue sauce. On a hamburger bun. So what you need for this is some fries. First of all, I ordered some fries off of Instacart, and they were supposed to be regular fries, but the guy brought me steak fries. So I'm gonna try to cut these in half because I don't, it's just supposed to be regular fries. So y'all think I could probably cut these? I'm about to try. But this is like a good, all our barbecue places in Cleveland, they serve these. Like most places. Okay, yeah. This is ghetto, but I need some regular fries. I don't need no steak fries. Like I asked for regular fries. Now if I be wrong if I give him a bad review. But I ain't gonna do them like that. I'm just gonna go ahead and cut these, and it is what it is. Okay, so I got my deep fryer on. We're gonna make the sandwich over here. So, okay, now in Cleveland we can get some. You can't even see my face because of the lighting, but you don't need to see. You can see my face over there. Anyways, in Cleveland you can buy, they got things, anything called Polish sausage, but you can use these, it don't matter. Some people even use big beef hot dogs. I mean the big hot dogs. That's totally up to you. But the original way to make it is with a beef sausage. So I'm gonna go ahead and drop this in the grease. And I'm gonna go ahead and drop my fries in there too, because all this cooked really, really fast anyway. And then we're gonna come back and make it. Okay, we are back. So let's sit this to the side, and this is how we make it. Now normally at barbecue restaurants, they give this to you wrapped in aluminum foil because it be so wet, but it has a lot of barbecue sauce on it. So let's go. You know what? I bought these split hamburger buns. I didn't know because how this gonna go? I hope this don't mess up my thing. But get a regular hot dog bun. Oh no, okay. So you bust it open like that. You take that. Then you get you some coleslaw, and I asked for a small one because it's just me here. You put your coleslaw on there. Layer it with your fries. Cream. Chill out. Let me just eat one. Okay. The last ingredient is barbecue sauce. Now you just want you some original barbecue sauce. You don't want no honey barbecue sauce, just regular original. But what seems to taste best on these, if you're not making your own, is open pit original. And then all you do is drizzle it on top. Now the trick to this is, I know you're wondering like, how the hell is somebody gonna eat it open like this? Make sure it's like turned to the side. For most people, it comes wrapped up just like this. When you get it, it'll be just like this. And the reason why they do it like this, because it holds it all together. Like, it tastes good, as you can see, barbecue sauce coming out the side. So when you open it, it looks like this. I'm gonna add 2 on here, because this is how, like I said, this is how you eat it. It's a sloppy, not sandwich, hot dog, but I'm telling you, it's good. Let's try it. Listen up, Atlanta barbecue spots. Add Polish boys on your menu. Most of them be like $5 or 2 for $5, some shit like that. Well, I'm about to put this sandwich up. But listen, this is how I make my Polish boy. This is up north kind of Polish sausage. This is what we get up here. I noticed that they don't have that in Atlanta, or when I asked around, they don't know what the hell I'm talking about. So I decided I can bring that to Atlanta. So let me know how y'all make y'all Polish boy, what y'all put on it. But this is the standard, what you put on Polish boy, with a Polish sausage, fries, coleslaw, and barbecue sauce. But thank you for tuning in with Talicia's Kitchen. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share this so I can get out. Until next time, thank you for tuning in. Let me fuck this sandwich up.